In the warm blue ocean, a giant shadow rises from below. It is larger than a bus, covered in white spots like stars across a dark sky. Its mouth opens wider than a doorway. But this giant is not hunting seals or people. This is the whale shark, the largest fish alive on Earth. A shark with the size of a whale and the feeding style of a living filter. It swims slowly through clouds of plankton, taking in water, filtering tiny life, and moving on with quiet power. The whale shark looks impossible. A shark without the violence people expect. A giant that feeds on some of the smallest animals in the sea. A spotted traveler crossing tropical oceans. Tonight, we follow the whale shark through coral reefs, coastal feeding grounds, open blue water, plankton blooms, and the hidden life of Earth's biggest fish. The whale shark belongs to the shark family. Like other sharks, it has a skeleton made of cartilage. Cartilage is lighter and more flexible than bone. Its body is huge, but built for long-distance travel. The head is broad and flat. The mouth sits at the front. Unlike many sharks with mouths underneath, this front-facing mouth helps it feed in open water. It swims into food-rich currents, opens its mouth, and lets the ocean flow through. Its gills drain food from the water. Tiny animals become fuel for a giant. The whale shark has teeth, but they are tiny. Not built for tearing prey. Not built for attack. Its real feeding power is filtration. A system for collecting plankton, eggs, and small fish. It can feed while swimming forward, or it can suction feed nearly in place. The mouth opens and closes rhythmically. Water pulses inward. Food is trapped. Clean water exits through the gills. A giant shark becomes a living sieve. Gentle. Enormous. Efficient. Whale sharks often gather where food is abundant. Plankton blooms can attract them. Fish spawning events can draw them in. Coral spawning can fill the water with eggs. Tiny life gathers in clouds. And the giants arrive. One whale shark appears. Then another. Then several, moving through the same blue space. Huge bodies feeding on microscopic abundance. These gatherings can seem almost peaceful. The sharks move slowly. Their tails sweep side to side. Their mouths open wide. Small fish sometimes swim around them. Remoras attached to their bodies. Divers watch from a respectful distance. A giant passes like a moving island. Its skin is patterned with spots and lines. No two whale sharks have the same pattern. The spots are like fingerprints. Researchers use photographs to identify individuals. The area behind the gills is especially useful. Each constellation of spots tells a story where the shark has been seen, when it returned, how far it may travel, and how long it may live. A body covered in stars becomes a scientific map. The ocean writes identity in spots. Whale sharks are travelers. They cross warm tropical and subtropical seas. Following food that appears and disappears, plankton changes with seasons. Currents shift. Upwelling brings nutrients upward. Spawning events happen briefly. A whale shark must find these temporary feasts. Its life is a search across blue water. A search for invisible abundance. Though huge, whale sharks are not careless swimmers. They move with calm rhythm. The tail beats slowly. The body glides forward. The dorsal fin cuts the water above. The broad head leads the way. Pilotfish may travel beside it. Remoras may cling underneath. Small fish may shelter in its shadow. The giant becomes a moving ecosystem. Remoras benefit from transport. They may feed on scraps or parasites. Small fish gain protection near the giant. The whale shark may barely notice, but its size creates opportunity for others. In the ocean, big animals carry small lives with them, like a drifting reef, like a living island. The whale shark is gentle, but not fragile. Its skin is thick. Its body is powerful. Its tail can push enormous mass through water. But it does not use this power for aggression. It uses it for travel. Feeding, diving, and surviving across vast seas. Size becomes endurance. A body built for distance. A slow engine of the open ocean. Whale sharks can dive deep, far below the bright surface, into cooler, darker layers. Scientists still study why they dive so deep. It may relate to feeding, navigation, temperature, or migration. A giant seen near the surface may have a hidden deep life. The ocean always has another layer. Near the surface, whale sharks are often seen feeding vertically. The shark positions its body almost upright. Its mouth opens at the surface. Water and food are pulled in. The body bobs gently in the waves, like a giant vacuum beneath the ocean's skin. Fish eggs or plankton gather in dense patches. The whale shark feeds without chasing, without biting, without violence. The largest fish survives by filtering the smallest lives. This is the paradox of the whale shark. enormous body. Teeny prey, giant mouth, gentle feeding. Shark name. Whale-like peace. It challenges what people think a shark must be. Not all sharks are hunters of large animals. Some are giants of filtration. The whale shark is the greatest of them. Its size protects it from many predators. But young whale sharks are more vulnerable. Large sharks may threaten smaller individuals. Orcas may attack large marine animals. But the biggest threat to whale sharks today is human activity. Fishing, boat strikes, entanglement, plastic pollution, habitat disruption, and irresponsible tourism. A slow-moving giant cannot always avoid fast boats. Propeller scars are seen on some individuals. Nets can trap them. Lines can entangle them. Humans can harm even the ocean's gentle giants. Whale sharks grow slowly. They may take years to reach maturity. Slow life histories make recovery difficult. If adults are lost, populations may not bounce back quickly. Protecting them means thinking long-term. Safe feeding grounds, safer boat traffic, responsible tourism, and international cooperation. Because whale sharks cross borders without passports, they belong to the ocean, not one country. Their protection must travel as far as they do. Whale shark tourism can help conservation when managed. People travel to swim near them. Communities can earn money from living sharks. Researchers can collect photo IDs. Visitors can learn respect for marine life. But bad tourism can stress the animals. Too many boats. Too many swimmers. Touching. Chasing. Blocking their path. These can turn wonder into harm. The rule should be simple. Do not touch. Do not chase. Keep distance. Let the shark choose its path. The best encounter leaves the animal unchanged. To swim near a whale shark is unforgettable. A giant body passes slowly beside you. Spots drift across your field of view. The mouth opens ahead. The tail moves behind like a slow pendulum. The ocean suddenly feels larger. Unendlich. This is why the whale shark matters emotionally. It changes our relationship with sharks. It shows that sharks are diverse. Some are fast hunters. Some are reef predators. Some live deep. And some filter plankton with gentle mouths. Fear is too small a lens for sharks. Curiosity is better. Respect is better still. The whale shark invites both. Reproduction in whale sharks remains partly mysterious. They give birth to live young. But births are rarely witnessed. Pregnant females are rarely observed. The early life of whale sharks is still full of questions. Where are most pups born? Where do juveniles spend their first years? How many survive to adulthood? The largest fish still hides its beginnings. Science has answered much, but the ocean keeps many chapters closed. The whale shark is both famous and mysterious, recognizable by millions, yet still not fully understood. This is common in the ocean. A creature can be huge, loved, photographed, and still mysterious. Size does not make a life easy to know. The ocean is too vast. The migrations too wide. The deep dives too hidden. The whale shark remains a moving question. Imagine a plankton bloom near a tropical coast. The water is thick with tiny life. Sunlight scatters through green-blue water. Small fish gather. Birds may circle above. Then a huge spotted head rises below. The mouth opens. Water rushes inward. Plankton disappears into the filter. The shark turns slowly. Another giant arrives. Then another. Their bodies move through the cloud like living ships, not colliding, not fighting, feeding beside each other in slow rhythm. The ocean has created a feast, and the giants have found it somewhere else. A whale shark travels alone. No reef in sight. No land. Only blue water in every direction. Its tail pushes it onward. Its spots fade into distance. It follows currents humans cannot see, toward food it has not yet found. The journey may cover hundreds or thousands of miles, across borders, across seasons, across a changing sea. A giant shark moving through a planet of water. Somewhere near a reef, divers wait calmly. The water is clear. A spotted shape appears from the blue. Slowly, the whale shark passes. Its eye turns slightly. The diver feels tiny. The shark continues forward, unbothered, unhurried. A gentle giant moving through its world. That world needs protection. Not only for whale sharks, but for plankton blooms, coral spawning events, healthy currents, clean water, and migration routes through open seas. The whale shark shows how connected the ocean is. Tiny plankton feed the largest fish. Currents guide giants across basins. Spots identify individuals across years. And human choices can decide their future. The whale shark is not a monster of the sea. It is the gentle giant that filters the ocean. The largest fish alive, feeding on tiny drifting life. A spotted traveler crossing warm seas in search of invisible feasts. It reminds us that greatness can be gentle. The whale shark is not the fear people imagine in sharks. It is the star-covered giant still swimming through the blue.